Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Haylou GT7 with your iOS device. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now it should enter to pairing mode, so we should see it on the list. And we see it, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!